Today I will explain the simple present. Function of the simple present 1. Habits and routines. Use it to talk about regular or repeated action. Example, she drinks coffee every morning. 2. General truths or fake things that are always true. Example, the sun rises in the east. 3. Permanent situations or states that don't change easily. Examples, he lives in London. 4. Instructions or directions, sometimes used like an imperative. Example, you turn left and go straight. 5. Schedules or timetables, especially transport or events. Example, the train leaves at 7 p.m. 6. Sport commentary or storyline, journalistic or literary style. Example, Messi scored a structure of the simple present. Most verb add s. Example, works. Verbs end in g, she, s, x, o. Add s. Example, watches. Verb end in a consonant plus I, change a to yes. Example, studies. Studies. Verb ending in a vowel plus y, just add s. Example, place. More examples. I work in a bookstore. You play the piano well. He watches movies on weekends. She studies every afternoon. It's run very fast. We read books together. You fix the car easy. They go to school every day. Thanks for watching. Until next time.